Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Gorilla Tag fan game. So, yeah, we're just going to get straight into it. So you want to go to your browser and search up Unity. Right here. Well, actually, right here. It'll be Unity. Right here. Download Unity. And then it will, ask you for your account and stuff. Then click accept. And then you're in your Unity dashboard right here. And then whatever thing you have, Mac OS, Linux, I don't know anyone who uses that, or Windows. Download Windows, do all the stuff, or whatever you have, download it. And then you should have Unity. And you should also have Unity Hub. Now, once you have Unity Hub, you want to open it. Go to installs and find the version 22.3.55 F1 right here. This is the one I use. These are just random ones. Don't use these. I mean, if you want to, you can, but I'm using this one. So this will take a while, depending on your PC. So once it's done, you want to go to projects, new project, pick your version, pick a 3D built-in render pipeline, your Unity organization or whatnot, and your project name. This is going to be tutorial project. Now, once you have your project, you click create. And then you wait for this to open. It's gonna take a while because it's the first time opening this thing right here. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. Now, once your project opens, you just wanna wait for all of this to, with the load and stuff, you know. Once that loads, you should probably get used to your surroundings. This is your hierarchy. This is where all your objects and stuff will go, like this camera that we're actually gonna delete. And yeah, this is your inspector. So basically, if you click on something, all its like options and stuff will be here. Static, tag, layer, name, if it's on or off. This is your assets folder. Well, yeah, assets folder, basically where all the stuff goes, like scenes. This is in here. And yeah, this is your hotbar, I guess. I don't really know. This is where you can click file and then save. This is where project settings is at. And this is where package manager is at. So yeah, what you want to do is what I actually do, is I rename my scene name to my game name. So for me, it'd be tutorial project. Or for you, it'd probably be monkey's place or something. So now you have this, but now how are you supposed to play the game? So you want to grab the Gorilla Rig and go to your browser and search up Gorilla Rig Unity. And you'll find this Gorilla Locomotion right here. This GitHub link. I want to go here. You want to go here, click Gorilla Locomotion Unity package and download it. Now you want to go back here, go to your assets, right click, import package, custom package, and Gorilla Locomotion Unity package. Then you want to click all and click import and wait for it to import. Now that you have your Gorilla Rig, which is right here, you want to go to your package manager, in project, Unity registry, and actually no, wait, oh my god. In project, and search up Pro Folder. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Research a Pro then. And then you actually want to download TextMesh Pro. Then go to Unity Registry, Pro, and Pro Builder right here. I'm not very good at this, am I? Wait for it to load and stuff. Now that you have Pro Builder, click the X, click Tools, Pro Builder window. And you grab this, put this up here, and now you got Pro Builder. So what you want to do now, you want to click New Shape, right? New Shape, there we go. You want to click a plane, and you want, like, this will already be turned on for you. That's just, I had it off. So, you want to, like, control, like, snaps it. So yeah, you just want to make, like, a testing plane, I guess. Now that you have your plane, drag it over to where you want it to be, and drag in Gorilla Rig. So boom, now you have your Gorilla Rig. And once you have that, what I like to do is I like to group everything. So I'm just gonna put like map or whatever. And put the plane in there. And if this is gonna be like a horror game and you want it like enclosed, you can click this like edge tool right here. Click the edges. Click this button when you scroll down, extrude. We'll make it go up like this. Control to snap it. To make it go up like that. Then click whichever side like this. Click extrude again. And then just drag it over this. Now you have this hole, and then you can delete the directional light. So boom. Now you have this like enclosed space right here. So now that you have this enclosed space in the Gorilla Rig, you want to know how to actually set up VR. So let's do that. So now what you want to do is you want to go to Window, Package Manager, Unity Registry, and search up com.unity.xr.interaction.toolkit, and you got it right here. I think I might have went to the wrong thing, but whatever. We'll figure that out. But yeah, just turn that in. I guess like copy this for now. Oh yeah, right here. This. I won't give you this in the install, so yeah, we don't need that anymore. Now this project is using the new input system. You would have to restart the editor. Hopefully it will save. But first I am actually going to, never mind. Oh wait, save. There we go. Whatever. Now once you save, you might actually want to restart this. Alright, now that we're back in, we should have like the stuff. You also want this, XR plugin management, edit, project settings, XR plugin management. We have this, we're just not gonna do anything. Open XR, let it like install and stuff. Now once you have all of this in here, you want to find this that says edit. Click edit. Now you see enabled interaction profiles. When it says list is empty, click this plus and click a Valve Index controller profile. Click it again and click it Oculus Touch controller profile. Now you're done with that. Now you want to go to Android here. Also click on OpenXR. And then change this right here from single pass instance to multipass. And single pass instance multi-view here to multipass. And just for safety, I'm gonna put MetaQuest Touch, the plus, whatever. Oculus Touch and Valve Index. So no Valve Index here. But okay. That in there and that there. So now these should both work. So now when you click save and you start it up, you are in and you move around. Yep. You move around, you know? We got all of these in here. So yeah, you can move. And it goes like a certain range it can go before like can't go anymore, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, you just added like actual like playability. Now, if you want your map to look good, you might want some textures.
Yo, what is up, guys? It is me, XenoLol, and if you made it far to this Radar 17 video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so we can make some more GTAG fan game tutorials. Anyways, my tip for you guys is that if you're looking for textures in your GTAG fan game, then make sure to head on to Adobe Stock. That's where I go. That's where Radar 17 goes. And if you can't find what you're looking for there, then just search it up on Google. All right, XenoLol out.
So yeah, what you want to do is you want to go hit your browser, click with the plus, Adobe Stock, and then just like go here, search up like any texture. Oh wait, what? I said search up any texture, so like dirt, for example. You can find like dirt here. You can probably even find the big scary dirt texture. I think this is it right here. I don't know though. So yeah, just find a dirt you like this, for example, and then save image as, and then like dirt, and then go back in, make a new folder, and where is it? Up here, and just make it materials. Then go into materials, import new asset, downloads, and your dirt texture. And once you have your dirt texture, go to create, material, pull dirt, and then make the smoothness down so it looks better. Grab, like pull the dirt, like hold it, and then you can pull it, put it onto albedo right here, and then drag it onto here, and then boom. Now, you see how it's like not seamless? You can change the tilling, which will make it look way better. It doesn't have to be perfect for mine, this is just a tutorial. And if you want this to be like affected by light, so like it looks good, you want to change this right here on like your map, not like your empty, like your map itself, like that can move. And you want to make it static. And now for lighting, just go here, like actually, the window, and like somewhere here, I think it's a rendering, yeah, lighting, right here. This should pop up, and then click new, and then you have your lighting. If you're in your materials, then go there. Or just like have your lighting out here. Keep all this, make this, like keep that. I like to make this to new 56, this to 2, this to 20, and this to 512. Keep all that. Now once you have your lighting set up, you want to go here and then grab a sphere. Drag your sphere down. You know, put it into a spot you want it, like in the middle right here. I don't really know where you want it, just like have it anywhere, I guess. Push it up here. And so it looks good, getting materials. Create a random material. Just name it like white or something. Once you have your white, go down here, make it like that. Drag it on, but if you want it to look even better, you can do a mission and make that white, and it's like glowing. So now that you have your light here, change it to static, create an empty, name it lights, drag all your lights under it, drag it under map, and then click this, like your light. I know I'm going a little fast, slow it down if you need to. Like right click, 3D object, wait, not 3D object, I'm sorry, light, and then you want to do point light. It might sound weird, but you want to do point light. Drag it down, and if you want it to look good and not like mess up or anything, you want to change this to baked. Make this like, depending on how big this area is, I'll have it like 3. Shadow type, soft. And then, yeah. Drag it down here. Now that you have your light, you can go to your lighting and click generate lighting. Wait for it to generate. Depending on how many lights you have, it's gonna take longer. So if you only have like one light like me, it will only take like 2 seconds. By the way, this down here, even though it says like 1 minute, it lies. So don't believe what this says. See how it's like too dark in here? We can make that brighter. And then like redo the lighting and then see if it looks better. Like see that looks good for me. Oh, my thing is lagging. That looks good for me. So now if you want to like see yourself, like have like a mirror, I would go to here, 3D object, cube, drag over the cube, make it go up. This is the size tool. Size it up and down, like size it like that. So right here's the move tool. Rotate. Forgot what this was. And this is like everything. But I just use it like this. I would size this down. And do that. And then do that. Then put it up against the wall. If you want it to make it look cool, you can have it like tilted with the rotate tool. Now you have like a cool looking mirror. Make it static. Call this mirror. Now click it. And you want to add a camera onto it. And then you just want to like turn it around so it's facing this way. So it will like reflect, right? Then you want to move your camera back. So this looks like it's touching the actual object. Then go to your materials, create, and then you want to find where it says render texture, right here. And just call this like mirror and whatnot. And then you want to go to your camera. You want to find target texture right here. You want to drag target texture there. And now where you have your mirror, you just drag it on, and you can see that this is actually upside down. So all you need to do is just turn it around. Frame buckle my arm. And now you have a functioning mirror. By the way, to see like the camera and stuff, it's like this. It would be up here, but I moved it down here. This is the gizmos. So you can see like lights and stuff. We got a mirror, we got a working guy. I think this is good for the first video. I'm gonna make this static. Yes, change children. So if you all want to see more like tutorials, comment down below. If you have any problems, just ask me. And I kind of forgot to like test, but my headset's low, but it should work. If it doesn't, like comment down below. I will be answering like a lot of comments if there's any problems. So yeah, I'm Wade17. Xeno is on a call with me while he's muted, and yeah.